Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the technical trader at thetechtrader.com. It is Tuesday, the 28th. These are the charts for the day. Well, a pretty good day for trading, but it was a difficult one. But anyway, the bottom line is the market is tightening in the coil and consolidating narrowly and unwilling to tip his hand yet. But let's take a look at some of the stocks that I really like the look of. Agen, which just had a big downtrend. And it did a reverse split too. And exploded in April, going from 4 3/4 into the 13.5 range. Coiled for 3 weeks and broke out. It's now been up 5 days in a row. Today, adding another 173, or almost 13%. Looks to me like it's headed for 19. AGIO broke out of a beautiful long-term consolidation. Take a look at this. This base has been 2 years in the making, and now today's breakout and breakaway gap tell me we're going higher, looking for mid-40s. AGQ is the silver ETF ramping as the market is heating up for silver, now $32 an ounce. You can see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rate move we had, but coming out of the base, I'm looking at this as a 1, 2, 3, and maybe 4 comes up. Fifth wave could get us into the mid-50s. Alar continues to ramp up in a beautiful rising channel. Top of that channel now measures approximately 55. It's only 35 now, so it has a lot of room to run. ARCT broke out today with a big pop, jumping from 30 to 38.85. Trading just beneath that, up 784, 25% gain today. A big move. Next target, 44. ASTS popped after a 3-day pullback yesterday, reversed today, and followed through a little bit. Up about 11.6%, trading 10.4 million. Your next objective would be get to 5 3/4, just ahead of us, and then looking at 6 3/4. BWEN exploded, and in about a 6-day period went from 212 to 410, double. Pull back for 2 days, now it's up again. It's moved from 3.5 to about 465, finishing 440. Your targets are 5 and 6 going forward. DELL, our swing from way back, has really done well and continues to do well. I spotted this one for you guys at around 69 back in September. It's more than doubled, almost up 100 points. You can see the last 5 days in a row. I think this is being caught up in the NVDL and AI craze, and this could accelerate past 200 or up to it. EXK, this junior silver stock, ramping up, looking good, targeting 4.5, 5.5. FRO in the shipping sector, steady as she goes, rising channel. After breaking out across there, it's back up near resistance and a target about 30. Beyond that, 35. First Solar broke out of its base a couple of weeks ago. It just keeps going. It looks great on the chart. Not going to be shocked to see this make a run at the all-time high at 350 thereabout. HIMS, after exploding across resistance, it pulled back to the gap and now bounced again. My target's 24 and 28. IMMR also breaking out of a base and running, and really channeling up very nicely. My next target, 11.5. INSM exploded today. Big volume on drug deal, on drug approval, or drug results, I should say. 22.5 to 65, finishing at 47.61. It was still up 25.61 or 116%. Huge volume. That kind of move usually we'll see higher levels in the next few weeks and months. Swing trade ML made it up to almost 199. I think 82 is the high. Finished 98.57. It was up 5% or 473. Now I'm looking for mid channel 124, 125. NVDL, the tracking stock for NVIDIA with NVIDIA running, is really ripped today. It went up 867 or 16% more. I'm going to be surprised to see this run towards 75.80. Pan American Silver, one of the biggest silver purveyors in the world, up against key resistance, and should it get to 22.68, you might see 25 and 28. SLV is the other major ETF for silver, looking for moving to the 32 and 35 range. SMR ramped up today and spiked and broke out of the across that slowly angling rising channel. The extension target now is going to be about 11.5 and 13. SSNT, looking at that long coil and consolidation, finally broke out today. Finished right at resistance, but the pop of 261 or 16.3% was significant enough for me to say, keep an eye on this one. It may ramp. My targets going forward, 21 and 25. Oil is broken out, it appears, and so did the USO as it broke in through its channel out of the mini base and closed above resistance. Next target, 81 and 84. And finally, ZIM, the shipper, doing great here, ramping up, targeting 24.75 and 28. Let's look at some of the very hot stocks that we're watching closely and trading at detectrader.com. Good night, everybody.